Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Pad 2 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, to get started, before I get started, I'm going to quickly mention something else. So, you can do this reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. Maybe your child set it and you're now locked out of your device. So, you can do this and it will get rid of the screen lock. It will also get rid of all your data on the tablet. But if you don't know your screen lock, you really have no other option here. And additionally, if this device has a screen lock and, for instance, Google account, and you're doing this reset in order to get rid of the screen lock, usually the Google account that is found right here, there is none, as you can see, will become also a way that you need to verify your device. Now, there will be two ways of verification after the reset is finished. One would be through the screen lock, but if you don't know that, that only leaves you with signing into your Google account as a verification method. Otherwise, you will be stuck on the setup screen. So, with that out of the way, let's get started. So, I don't have a screen lock, but the process is exactly the same. You're gonna hold the power button and volume up at the same time, and then swipe up to turn off your device. Once the tablet turns off, sorry for the focus, once the tablet turns off, you're again gonna hold a power button and a volume up at the same time, and let go of the power button when you see the Mi logo. This takes us to the recovery mode. Now you can see at the bottom tells us that we can navigate using volume buttons, and power button will be used to confirm the selection. So let's press volume down to select wipe data, confirm it with the power, wipe all data, confirm, wiping data. Once it's finished, we can then press power, and it will now reboot the device, continue resetting in the background, and once it's finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.